Ryan, see the debris around us? Right here. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's right here. Yeah. Hey, we're good here. We're good here. Oh my God.
Okay, it's going to 935 now. I'm 15 to 935. Tornado's just a few hundred yards away from
Guys, keep up.
I'm going to turn around here. Hang on. They go straight. They go straight.
We don't have your shot, David.
Hang on a second.
Oh, we got Sky News on. That's good. Stay with
Oh, it's right here. To the right. To the right.
There's the tornado. I'm looking to our south-southwest. Here it is.
Dude, it's right there. It's right there. Back up, back up, back up. Dude, Dominator. Yeah, it is. Oh crap, stop. Dude, it's coming here. Too close, dude, it's coming on top of us. It's coming right on top of us. Oh my God, dude, back up. It's back up, dude, back up. Sorry, I have to roll up. Oh my gosh.
It's along
Oh my gosh.
Street and 2nd Street across the interstate.
I can't see, dude. I can't see it.
It's on I-35. Any cars in the area?
Oh my.
Hershey Hospital that is south of 15th.
Guys, come back. Guys, come back. Guys, come back.
Look at all the
Guys, come back. Guys, come back.
Debris in the air.
Turn
Just
around.
north of Henderson Baptist Church.
Some big banner or piece of kit or something that's floating through the air. Lots of debris.
We need.
200 yards east of I-35, Gary. Lots of trees.
Okay, look at the
in the air.
Dominator.
This is moving toward Lake.
Very, very close. Just found.
There they go.
This live church, I think it is, or Henderson Hills, whatever this is, campus over here. The one with the big cross on I-35 at 2nd
Look at this
Street.
sign.
Very close to that church.
Get back here, guys. Get back
Might
here.
be brushing the southern edge of it. Tornado still on the
All
ground.
right, so let's go this way. Oh my gosh.
Just north of Henderson Baptist.
Dude, look at Dominator's going right into it. Right into it. Yep, he's right there. He just went right into it. Oh man. What is that, dude? Look at that.
This is moving toward Lake Arcadia.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's not. This is Edmond, Oklahoma.
Wow.
Northern section of Oklahoma County, north
Left.
of
Go
downtown
left.
Oklahoma City, moving generally
Now.
east, 25 miles an hour, moving toward Arcadia Lake. Tornado's been on the ground for a while now.
Oh man.
I see it coming back down to watching Sky News 9, so anytime you guys have things,
on the
just
ground.
jump in. We see it on the ground again.
Still on the ground.
Okay, give me the location. What the east-west road?
About half a mile south of 2nd Street.
Okay.
And about half a mile east of I-35. That's going to be a pretty exact location
Gotcha.
right now. This thing,
We need a rain wrap. Here we go. Yep, it's getting rain wraps.
That's what I'm going to say. Slightly north of due east.
So it's an east-northeast. Part of the circulation goes all the way up to East 2nd Street. So it's
all
very
three of them,
broad
dude.
circulation.
There's Jared.
Go ahead.
The circulation is going to be just south of County Line. So this thing is on the ground, still doing damage.
Dude, we are 100
Okay,
feet from it.
Jim Gardner, what do you have in Sky News 9?
I got it.
Oh man.
There's debris everywhere.
Storm Action 1, we got Val Castro there.
Street, about 100 yards, Aaron. That's where the tornado just crossed the highway.
Oh, there goes the power line.
Go back to
It's right here. Look at the dust. Look at the dust. Okay, you have that? Yep. Turn off the windshield wipers. Move. I can't see.
It's behind you. It just crossed First Road.
Go straight.
Tornado continues on the ground. Gary.
area. It's turning a little bit to the right, so it's going into Newcastle, Blanchard, probably Norman, maybe South Norman, but probably Norman. So you guys down that way, be alert. Quick check with the state. That's the main end. And also down the Blanchard area.
Right there. Yep. Watch that. Watch that. Watch that.
Previous one did.
Watch that lower.
So the warning will
Yep,
continue.
I got it.
Wait.
It's just starting to come in. Edmond police and fire working feverishly out there to try to find where the damage is.
Oh my goodness. This is huge.
Look at that. I got it. I got it.
This is
You got
going
that
to
on
be a
video?
big tornado. Now there's more debris on the ground.
You have to keep going straight.
West,
Straight
more
ahead.
debris on the ground.
Straight ahead. You see
Big
that?
tornado, Gary, big tornado.
Oh God, I'm so fucking glad that nobody's hurt.
Yes, we got to go back and get on these other
All
cells.
right, we're gonna have to go through the ditch because we got rubber nippers.